Welcome back to Times of Avishkaar. I'm Nandini Bhalla, bringing you some positive tech news from around the world every Sunday. NASA is going to offer its software to the public for free. Do you like to solve real-world problems? NASA is here to help. NASA announced that its software with over 800 programs is free to be used by the public. Its computational innovations are now available to download. These were originally developed to help explore space. These softwares are based around aeronautics, data and image processing, autonomous systems, design and integration tools, environment sciences, and more. They believe that these programs can be used on Earth to solve real-world problems like global warming. This is part of their technology transfer program. Right now, there are 832 programs and more will be added to the list soon. Anyone and everyone can go on their website, filter through the software, and download the program they want. The Space Agency will be holding a webinar on July 13th to tell more about how these programs can be downloaded and also do a question and answer session. So don't miss out on it and get yourself the highest level of software possible right from the experts. This new face mask can detect COVID-19 in your breath within 90 minutes. When you wear this mask, you can activate sensors on it with a button, and then it will give you a strip reflecting the result within 90 minutes. Wearable biosensors have been installed in the standard KN95 masks to identify if the person's breath had the virus in it. The accuracy level of this is just the same as the standard PCR COVID tests. Developed by the team of researchers at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, and Wyss Institute of Biologically Inspired Engineering at Harvard University. The mask will soon hit the markets and help ease people's worries about stepping out of their houses, and hopefully tech like these will help all of us get past this pandemic. To help assist doctors who spend hours in PPE kits, 19-year-old innovates ventilation system. Nihal Singh Adarsh from Pune built a Cove-Tech ventilation system that can cool PPE kits from within for 8 hours. His inspiration came from the ordeal his mother faced, who is a doctor and who would come home drenched in sweat. He did not want to just sit and watch. He wanted to do something about it, which is why he built this device. The Cove-Tech is a plug-and-play device to be worn around the waist, and it will assist in air circulation inside the PPE kit, providing comfort and relief for the doctor. After designing 11 prototypes, Nihal and his design friend Ritvik came up with the design to fit the waist. It is a fan powered by a brushless motor and is installed with quality polypropylene fiber 3-layered filter. The fan pulls in the air from outside into the PPE kit after filtering it. It weighs 750 grams and comes with a lithium-ion battery to last from 6 to 8 hours. Nihal has been receiving orders from across India, and the doctors consider this a blessing to help them perform with higher efficiency. Be a problem solver just like Nihal and help the society with your technological innovations. We at Avishkaar are always looking out for stories that are changing the world. So if you are looking for the same, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications every time a Times of Avishkaar video is uploaded. And if you like this video, then like, comment, and share with your friends.